The flood control scandal is on everyone's minds every day. We are all enraged, hurt, and betrayed by what was done to deliberately manipulate our finances and only to feed the greed of not a few government officials. Money that should have been utilized to better the lives of Filipinos were instead used by corrupt individuals to buy exotic cars, luxury vacations, and even gamble in casinos. However, the Filipinos have now been awakened and are watching. We are gathered here to advance a critical and vital part of the ICI's mandate, which is to hear, investigate, receive, gather, and evaluate evidence, intelligence reports, information against all government officials and employees, and any other individuals involved in these anomalous irregularities and misuse of funds in the planning, financing, and implementation of government flood control and other infrastructure projects nationwide. All those persons responsible for this may be prosecuted and jailed. But to completely heal our nation, justice is not enough. We need restitution. Again, we need restitution. The law defines restitution as an act of making good or giving equivalent for any loss, damage, or injury and indemnification. We, the different agencies of the government, are all here today to bind together our resources to go after and recover the assets of these criminals. That is our goal. These assets were purchased using public funds. They belong to the Filipino people. Money that could have been spent on building schools, hospitals, and road projects was instead burned wantedly on useless luxuries and vices. Let us work together. Let us recover what was stolen. Only then can our nation truly heal. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Justice.